It's morning garden, folks. I'm here at Walmart. You can see that they got this. I got me some seeds here, 50-cent seeds. Um, and they got some stuff on there to catch you real quick. Like they got what they call organic. I don't know how true that is. What's the difference in that and heirloom? Your guess is as good as mine. Look at this. This is one rack. They got another one here at Berkeley's. So everything should be here. I mean, everything should be in your store. See, so none of this I mess with because I already have all this that I need. I have all of this. And then my dollar seeds, corn, there we go. Go down to your local Walmart and try to get your seeds now. So that you got them in stock and everything is plentiful. And like I said, these 50-cent seeds are going to go real quick. And these are American seeds, they call them, 50 cent. I got, oh my goodness, jalapenos, watermelon. And they got tomatoes down there, turnips, broccoli, 50 cent. Oh, there we go. The Charleston Grape, big sweet watermelon. And it's a lot of disease resistance to this watermelon. So a lot of people like that. You got Oregon, which I didn't have that. Now I have it. And the broccoli, the Italiano parsley. I got that. So I'm straight. This is the morning gardener saying, let's get started early. Get all our items now. This is the morning gardener.